How to activate Bank of America card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to activate Bank of America card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Bank of America card activation. In the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and tap on this particular link. Now, if you already have an online ID, tap on the Already Have an Online ID option and sign in with your online ID and passcode to move forward with the activation process. And if you do not have an account yet, tap on the New to Online and Mobile Banking option and enroll yourself to Bank of America to further activate your card. So, this is how you can activate Bank of America card. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.